guys! Today you'll learn how to change regular verbs to the simple past in English. Just regular verbs. Nothing complicated, easy rules, common mistakes, and practice at the end. Let's get started. Now, the basic rule. For most regular verbs, we add ed. Let's see some examples. Work becomes worked. Play becomes played. Clean becomes cleaned. Watch becomes watched. This shows the past. It means yesterday, before, last night. Let's look at some more examples. I worked yesterday. Worked is past. She played soccer. Played is past. They watched a movie. Watched is past. Now let's look at the spelling rules. I'll explain them step by step. These rules help us write regular verbs in the past. First rule. When a verb ends in E, we do not add ed. We only add d. Examples: live, lived. Like, liked. Dance, danced. She lived here before. We liked the class. See? It's very simple. When the verb ends in E, we only have to add d. Now, the second rule. These verbs end in y. Before y, there is a consonant. In this case, we change y to I and add ed. Let's see some examples. Study, studied. Try, tried. Carry, carried. I studied English last night. She tried again. See? Super simple. When the verb ends in y, you only have to change the y to I and add ed. Okay, pay attention here. This is an important exception, but it is still a regular verb. If the verb ends in vowel plus y, we do this. Add ed, play becomes played. Enjoy becomes enjoyed. We say played. We do not say played. We say enjoyed. We do not say enjoyed. No change, just ed. Now, let's look at another rule. If the verb has one syllable and ends in consonant plus vowel plus consonant, we double the last consonant and add ed. Stop becomes stopped. Plan becomes planned. We say stopped. We do not say stopped. Look at the examples. He stopped working. We planned the trip. You see? Literally, a piece of cake. Now it's your turn. Write the correct past form in the comments. I'll check the comments. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share it. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next lesson.